giving blood save lives, because that has been the reality, and that is the reality as we speak.
Jorge Polanco, Deputy Director of Health Services in the Ministry of Health, says blood drives like the one held at the Whitfield Tower in Belize City is all in an effort to promote voluntary donation.
We want to promote the volunteers because it has been shown globally that volunteer donors tend to be healthier people. And that's because they know that being blood donors, they need to remain healthy. So they live a more responsible sexual lifestyle, and the implication of that is that the risk for having sexually transmitted diseases is lower. They also try to avoid chronic diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, simply because they make an active effort to remain healthy because they consider themselves responsible in providing a safe blood.
Presently, voluntary blood donations make up 10 to 12% of the blood bank, and the rest is filled by replacement donors, which is obtained through relatives or friends of patients who have required and used blood from the blood bank. Polanco says there is an increased need for voluntary blood donations.
There is a demand for blood transfusion in the country over the last few months, and everybody is aware of this, the increase in violence, road traffic accidents, and especially external injuries, gunshots, for example, which is so common. That demand has increased, and thereby the need to also increase volunteer blood donors, because it's not just a matter of providing blood. We need to ensure that we provide safe blood.
But blood is also required by patients who suffer other conditions, such as genetic blood disorders. Therefore, the National Transfusion Service is meticulous in ensuring that Belizeans have access to safe blood. The screening process used meets the standards accepted in the Caribbean and by PAHO. A behavioral screening is also done on the donor to ensure that their lifestyle does not put recipients at risk. Each donor, like the wife of the Prime Minister, Kim Simplice Barrow, who stopped in to make her donation, were properly screened during the drive.
People depend on blood donations, on safe blood, in order to be alive.
And when safe blood is readily available for a patient, a life is saved.
It's not just a matter of the client, but it goes beyond the client, it goes to the extended family, and whatsoever positive impact occurs there, that is because of the blood donors.
Those visiting the drive were also able to get their blood pressure and glucose levels tested. Dalila Ikal for Love News.